Megan, hey, this is probably the first thing I do of the day. This door is always unlocked. We come in here. This is the doggy food. And these are the kitties back here. This is Caramel. I give him 1 scoop in there. These are the empties. These are the fulls. I got a couple extras. Let's get in here. It's not mathematical or anything. These are the outside candy cats. Let's find any dish. There's a couple of them laying around, but sometimes there's an extra dish in that doggy box. Come out here. And back behind the tractor here is where the kitties outside like to eat. You look over here, this is the goat water. So I just kind of glance over there, make sure the water's good. And there's the outside kitties. And their dish is gone. So sometimes I dump it in a dish over here, but it's gone. So but sometimes it happens. Kitties. And there's that. What's this? Orange tree. Over here. That's kind of my first chore of the day.